Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty Attraction. Today I am going to tell you some quick home remedies. Let's get started. To tighten open pores on the facial skin, beat a raw egg and apply it on the face and neck. Relax for 20 minutes and rinse it off with warm water. Eggs help tighten the pores and it nourishes the skin, preventing skin from sagging. A pack made from 3 tablespoons each of cucumber juice, coconut water, lemon juice and sandalwood powder. This prevents skin from sagging. To remove pimple marks from the face. To remove marks left by pimples, mix radish juice with equal quantity of buttermilk. Apply it on the face. Wash it off after 1 hour. A herbal recipe for getting rid of acne. Take 1 teaspoon of neem powder and mix it with 1 teaspoon of fuller's earth and apply this mixture twice or thrice a week. Leave it on the face for half an hour and then scrub your face with cold water. A common treatment for removing skin blemishes. Mash a few mint leaves, neem leaves and a banana. Apply the paste all over the face and neck, avoiding the eyes. Wash it off when dry. This face pack removes scars, freckles, and minor skin blemishes. A treatment for blackheads as well as whiteheads. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with half teaspoon of rice powder and rub it all over the face, especially on the chin and nose. This removes the blackheads as well as the whiteheads. A herbal solution for pimples. This is an instant cure of pimples. Apply a paste of chalk and water on them. They will disappear by evening. To reduce pimples and blackheads, rub the scrapings of bitter gourd on infected portions of the face. To get rid of freckles. For a quick relief from freckles, grate half a white radish. Mix with 2 teaspoons of lime juice and tomato juice. Apply on the face and keep it on for 20 minutes. Then wash it off with lukewarm water. A regular application will ensure a freckle-free face for you. Thank you for watching Beauty Attraction. Do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more updates.